Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to add a custom footer to your WordPress website in 2025, whether you want to include links, any social icons, copyright text, or custom widgets. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come in your WordPress admin dashboard. Over here, simply hover over to the appearance section and select your theme. Right next to your theme, you will see the customize option. So you can either click over here or you can directly click on the customize option in the left hand section. Now it is going to take some time in loading your page. So you need to just wait for some time until it loads. In the left hand section, you will see a bunch of different options, including the footer option. Now in some of the themes you will find the footer option here in the left hand section itself, but sometimes you will have to click on the widgets option, and inside widgets you will see the footer area. So here you can click on the main sidebar option and then click on the footer option. Now you can add bunch of different options over here, like you can add the paragraph, buttons, anything. If you click on the buttons option, it will be added here, something like this. You can add it over here in the right hand section. As you can see, we have it here in the right hand section. So this way you can basically start customizing your footer. Once you are done with the customization, simply click on the publish option here in the top. You can also use Elementor in this regard. For that, you need to download and install Elementor on your WordPress website. So come back here on this page, go to the add plugins option. Over here, simply search for Elementor and download and install it over here, just like so. Now in Elementor, you will see the option of templates and theme builder. So click on the theme builder option and select the option of footer. Now it will redirect you on the Elementor's Pro plan. So you will get 30-day money back guarantee if you purchase it. It is going to cost you around $7 every single month. So if you want to try it out, you can definitely do it. So this is how you can add fully custom footer in WordPress in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.